Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gisele. So welcome to those who are new, and welcome back to those who have already been here and are coming back in for a new video. Today, as you can tell by the title, I have a makeup tutorial with this new palette that I got from Urban Decay. So if you are interested in seeing what I created and what I got in this PR box, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this past weekend, actually probably like last Thursday, I don't know, I got a PR box from Urban Decay and I already got stuff on it. Yuck. Anyways, it's a cute little like travel case. It's super creative. I love it. In the front it says will work for makeup, and then he has like pictures of places. And when you open the package, you have the orange. Oh! When you open it, you have the palette right here, 3 pencils, and 3 lipsticks. And there's social media handles and all of that good stuff. Oh, I forgot to put this on there. It also came with an all-nighter mini spray, which I had never tried the all-nighter before, so I'm super excited that I actually got to try this now. So let's start with the palette. So there are 21 shades in this palette, and here they are. The colors are absolutely stunning. So like I said, it has 21 colors. It has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them are matte. 7 or 8 of them are matte, and the rest is shimmery. The palette, in my opinion, is absolutely gorgeous. So it comes with the big mirror. This mirror is bomb, you guys. Like, the mirror is absolutely perfect. It takes up the entire palette right here on top, but it's also really crisp. You know, sometimes you get a palette and the mirror is kind of like foggy, like it's not all there. Like, this mirror is absolutely perfect. This is supposed to be a palette that you get to travel with. So you take one palette with you and you won't need anything else. Now, do I travel quite often? I would say, quite often, I don't know. I travel enough throughout the year that I bring a lot of makeup with me, especially makeup palettes, because I feel like I'm not going to get everything that I absolutely would possibly need. I might want something sparkly. I want, you know what I mean? Might need my mattes. I need my transition shades. I need something that's dark enough. And this palette literally has everything. You have that dark chocolatey brown, but you also have a softer brown. You have an orange. You have a softer orangey, which is like one of my favorite type of shades to go on the crease. You literally have everything for everyone to be able to use this palette, and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna try to do some swatches. This one is one of the colors that I did. I'm not good with swatches. I'm just gonna do it right here so you can kind of see what it looks like. I don't know if my camera is really going to pick it up, but it's super pigmented. Super pigmented. The colors are beautiful. I'm gonna do a matte one so you can see it. And the matte ones are like butter. Oh my gosh, like just one swap. Like I said, I'm not good with swatches, so this is not the channel for that if that's what you're looking for. So yeah, so we got the palette. Is absolutely gorgeous. I love the pigments. As I was doing my makeup, I mentioned in comparison to the last one that I received from them, which was the Back Talk. This one, that one has nothing on this. Like, the pigment, the way it goes on the skin, there was no fallout. It just looks absolutely beautiful. Like, exactly what I would expect from Urban Decay. Beautiful job. Get 3 pencils. The first one is Override. These pencils are amazing, which is this green right here. And then we have a coppery brown, and this one is Double Life. And that's what that looks like. And then we have one that's a little bit more orangey, and this one is Lucky, which is like a beautiful copper. 3 brand new lipstick colors, Vice lipsticks. The first one is Ready, which is a gorgeous metallized, is that the word? Yep, metallized, what would this be? It's like a pinky color with red undertones, but it has gold specks in it. The next one is called Comfort, and this one is a matte, and it's a mauve. I hadn't swatched these yet. That's really pretty. It's giving me more fall vibes though. And then Marfa, which is also a matte, and it's like purple, as you can see right here. Yeah, these two are more like fall colors in my opinion. Gorgeous colors. I just like the lips that I put on right now, which I didn't even do it on the video. Oh my goodness. So for my lips right now, my favorite combo currently, I used Quickie and Ooh from the Shayla collection and her Neat Freak lip gloss and Cork from MAC. So that's what I have on my lips right now, and I just thought that it worked really well with the eyes. Overall, I am super happy with this palette. I think that it's absolutely gorgeous, and it's definitely worth the price, and I'm definitely going to be bringing it with me for my trip to Orlando this coming week. So the palette retails for $49. The eyeliners are $21 each, and the lipsticks are $18 each. So I think that they're all reasonably priced. These eyeliners are like bomb. They go on super smooth and stay on the entire time, and I put them on my waterline, so they're absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to start off with Weekender on my crease. So this is Weekender, and I'm just gonna put that right on the crease. And it's pretty light, as I thought it would be. Like, I can see it. It doesn't really show up on camera, but I can definitely see it in person. It's a really, really pretty, subtle brown, like super natural, perfect for an everyday look. There's a tiny little bit of kickback. I personally don't mind it. I feel like for a palette that has good pigmentation, there's going to be some kickback on the pan, so that doesn't do anything for me in terms of like making me decide whether I like a palette or not. Unless if it's something that's like completely falling apart. That's not the case here. Otherwise, you know. Now I'm gonna go in with Riff, which is this color right here. And I'm still using that Riff color. I'm just intensifying it a little bit more towards the outer corner of my crease. And then blending back and forth. So I'm gonna go in with this purpley pink color. I don't even know what that is. It's called Hail Ride. And I want to add this to my crease as well. Again, concentrating the color towards the outer V. I want it to be a little bit more intense over here. Now I'm going to do Wanderlust, and I'm going to place it on the outer V and the inner corner. Well, not inner corner, but towards the inside part. And I'm not using it wet, but I'm still getting a pretty good color payoff. Now I'm gonna do Big Sky, and I'm gonna go in with the same brush, but I'm using it wet because I want this one to be super intense in the center. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab some of that Riff and a little bit of the Hail Ride, and I'm going to just blend up here a little bit. Now I'm gonna go into Radio, which is like the bluish not bluish purple, bluish green color, and I'm going to add that on my waterline, or under my lash line I should say, on the bottom. I'm using a small brush. I'm going to go into Jet, which is a black shade, and I'm going to intensify this bottom color a little more. And I'm just gonna blend that. Now I'm gonna go in with Override, and it's their 24/7 eye pencil. I'm gonna put it on my waterline. As a highlight, I'm going to go in with Blaze, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Now I'm just going to put some lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. Well, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the review. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to be getting this palette or any of the new things that Urban Decay just came out with. And if you have not done so yet, make sure and subscribe and hit the bell button, so that you stay connected to all of the videos that I put out, because otherwise you're not gonna know. Let's just be honest, okay? So hit the little bell, hit the subscribe button and the like button, so that I know that you're enjoying my videos, but also so that YouTube knows that my videos are worth watching. So let's do that, okay? And I will see you guys on the next one.